On 27th December, Sounds of Urban Life presents Love Funky from 9 PM till 4 in the morning, no work Monday, bringing you the finest old school garage and UK funky acts ever assembled in the home counties. Live on stage, MC Versatile performing the funky anthem. It's that funky and his new single Searching, together with the lady AL performing her smash Tell Me. Old school DJs on the night, the undisputed Mac Jam Lamont, the Dream Team's Mikey B, and representing UK Funky Award winners, BBC One Extras DJ Footloose, Kiss FM's DJ Pioneer, and Catch the Feelings DJ KC, together with DJ TWISTA and DJ DAVERAW. Host on the night, Versatile, Spidey G, Dapper, Danny P, Gold, Winston, and myself, Master C. Arena 2 R&B Hip Hop Unbashment, hosted by the Natural Dread Video DJ Show and the Midland's finest female DJ, CJ1E. That's the Love Funky Christmas Showcase at Saints and Sinners, St. Peters Street, Bedford on 27th December. Tickets on sale now at £10 each. For information call 01582 526677 or 077 877 60643. Love Funky.
Tell me what you want.